Hello students, welcome to the second episode of the Chapter 6 Manufacturing Industries. What are you going to learn in this part? It is about the agro-based industries in our nation. So how many types of agro-based industries provides the economy for our nation? In connection with this alone, this video is going to give you the information. So can we start the chapter now? Three agro-based industries provides good economy for our nation. Number 1, cotton industry. Number 2, jute industry. Number 3, sugar industry. In connection with these three industries alone, we are going to see in what way it gives economy and simultaneously what are the challenges faced by these three industries. In connection with this alone, this video carries. The textile industry occupies a unique position in the Indian economy because it contributes significantly to industrial production. It is the only industry in the country which is self-reliant and complete in the value chain, that is, from raw material to the highest value added products. Here you have a question about the cotton textile industry. The cotton textile industry was concentrated in the cotton growing belt of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Give reason. Here are the reason. In the early years, the cotton textile industry was concentrated in the cotton growing belt of Maharashtra and Gujarat. The reason is availability of raw cotton, market, transport, including accessible port facilities, labor, moist climate, etc., contributed towards its localization. This industry has close links with agriculture and provides a living to farmers, cotton ball pluckers, and workers engaged in ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing, packaging, tailoring, and sewing. The industry, by creating demands, supports many other industries such as chemicals and dyes, mill stores, packaging materials, and engineering works. These are all the reasons why Maharashtra and Gujarat zones are focused a lot for the textile industry. India has the second largest installed capacity of spindles in the world, next to China. Although we have made significant increase in the production of good quality long staple cotton, we have certain problems faced by the textile industry. What are they? Number 1, energy crisis we have. Number 2, electricity crisis, gas shortage, tight monetary policy, removal of subsidy on textile sector, lack of new investment, raw material prices, export performance of textile sector. These are all the challenges faced by the textile industry. Next to the cotton, India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods and stands at second place as an exporter after Bangladesh. There are about 70 jute mills in India. Most of these are located in West Bengal, mainly along the banks of the Hooghly River in a narrow belt. Here, what is the reason behind of selecting Hooghly Basin for the cultivation of jute? Here are the factors. Number 1, raw material. Proximity of the jute production area. Here proximity gives the meaning very closer to the area. Second one, fertile Ganga Brahmaputra delta grows about 90% of its jute and provide to mills. Second one is power. Coal is required for power obtaining from Raniganj and Asansol coal fields. Third one, transportation. Cheap water transportation is also available. Area is also served by a network of roads, railway and waterways to facilitate the movement of raw material to the mills. The last one is water. Abundant water is also available from Hooghly for processing, washing and dyeing jute. So these are all the reasons why Hooghly Basin is selected for the jute cultivation. Challenges in jute industry. What are the challenges faced by the jute industry and how Indian government has taken efforts to stimulate the demands of jute in the market? First, we will see the challenges. Challenges faced by the industry include stiff competition in the international market from synthetic substitutes and from other competitors like Bangladesh, Brazil, Philippines, Egypt and Thailand. Now, the solution taken by the Government of India. Jute Policy 2005. In 2005, National Jute Policy was formulated with the objective of increasing productivity, improving quality, ensuring good prices to the jute farmers, and enhancing the yield per hectare. The growing global concern for environment-friendly, biodegradable materials has once again opened the opportunity for jute products. India stands second as a world producer of sugar but occupies the first place in the production of good and kandasari. In India, sugar mills are spread over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat along with Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh. In recent years, there is a tendency for the mills to shift and concentrate in the southern and western states, especially in Maharashtra. Why? The earlier UP and Bihar were the main producer of sugarcane. Therefore, most of the sugar mills were located in these two states only. But now, sugar mills are shifting towards Maharashtra and Karnataka because of the following reasons. Per hectare, production of sugarcane is higher in southern India. Black soil is quite suitable for cultivation of sugarcane. Sucrose content in the sugarcane is higher in Maharashtra and Karnataka. It means more sugar can be produced for less sugarcane. Mills and machines are new in southern states. New and modern machines increase the productivity. Crushing season for sugarcane is longer in southern states. Cooperative sugar mills are running successfully in southern states. So these are all the reasons why sugar mills are started in South India.